Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys all of the patterns on the new Dress to Impress and Lady Gaga collaboration update. So here, if you press on this one, there will be 6 new patterns. The first one is a mirror ball. Disco ball, sorry. I like say mirror ball a lot because of Taylor Swift, but disco ball. And then there's the police do not cross line pattern. I like this pattern a lot. It's super cute. There's this like rose lace pattern, flower lace pattern. There's this one. I think these are diamonds. I'm not sure what these two are, but that's new. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. There's also like a bunch of like new toggles on the dresses, like on this top, this like skirt, and then this whole dress, this whole thing too. And then I don't know if there's toggles on that one, but I haven't opened this one. But yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!